Good day, sir. I am John Ray Grapan, 22 years old from Barangay Siksikan. So this is my journey in business finance with Sir Zed. When I first met Sir Zed and our business finance class, my initial impression was that he was a strict teacher. He had a no-nonsense demeanor and a serious approach to the subject. So, kala ko talaga nahirapan kami dahil sa kanyang pagiging stricto. But as the days went by, I realized there was no more to him that just his stern exterior. As the weeks passed, nakita ko kung gaano siya kahusay at kagaling magturo. Explain complex financial concepts with such clarity na madali naming maintindihan. His dedication to making sure na we understand every lesson was truly inspiring. Hindi lang siya basta nagtuturo, he made sure we were learning and growing. One of the most inspiring aspects of his teaching style was his habit of ending each class with a motivational quote or word of wisdom. Uh, Parang laging may baon ng inspirasyon ni Sir. These words were not just about finance. They were about life, servants, and success. Nakakatuwa kasi it showed that he cared about our overall development, not just our academic progress. In the end, I realized that my first impression of Sir as a strict teacher was only partly true. While he maintained discipline and high standards, he was also a kind and motivational mentor. He showed us that true leadership in education involves challenging students while also supporting and inspiring them for that. I will always be grateful.